Question number 1. Why is Internet Protocol version 6 addressing needed?
The primary function of IPv6 is to allow for more unique TCP or IP address identifiers to be created now that we run out of the 4.3 billion created with IPv4. This is one of the main reasons why IPv6 is such an important innovation for the Internet of Things.
Question number 2. What are the types of Internet Protocol version 6 network addresses?
There was the three major types of IPv6 network addresses: unicast for a single interface, multicast for a set of interfaces on a same physical medium. A packet is sent to all interfaces associated with the address, and unicast for a set of interfaces on different physical media.
Question number 3. Explain the difference between subnet ID and interface ID.
The next file is the 16-bit subnet ID which you or another administrator allocate for your site. The subnet ID describes the private topology, also known as the site topology, because it is internal to your site. The rightmost 4 files, 64 bits, contain the interface ID, also referred to as a token.
Question number 4. What is the role of transport layer?
The transport layer is the fourth layer in the Open System Interconnections OIS model and is responsible for end-to-end communication over a network. This layer enables the host to send and receive error-corrected data, packets, or messages over a network, and it is a network component that allows multiplexing.
Question number 5. What does TCP stand for?
TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, a communication standard that enables applications, programs, and computing devices to exchange messages over a network. It is designed to send packets across the Internet and ensure the successful delivery of data and messages over networks.
Question number 6. How do web and email protocols operate?
Email protocols, mail transfer agents, communicate with each other over the Internet using SMTP protocol. The recipient's MTA then forwards the email to the incoming mail server MDA email delivery agent, tasked with storing the mail until the user accepts it.
Question number 7. How do file transfer protocols operate?
File transfer protocols works in a client-server model where an FTP server and FTP client perform the file transfer operation. An FTP server is configured in the network and as a specific file storage location. Folder system is identified to become the shared storage, which will host the files you want to share.
Question number 8. How do you identify security vulnerabilities?
Cybersecurity is often taken for granted. People assume that their network security is fine as is, at least until something goes wrong and the organization suffers a service outage or data breach because of security vulnerabilities default to address.
Question number 9. Why are basic security measures necessary on network devices?
Network security infrastructure provides several levels of protection to prevent MIM attacks by breaking down information into numerous parts, encrypting these parts and transmitting them through independent paths, thus preventing cases like eavesdropping.
Question number 10. What does AAA stand for?
The AAA stands for Authentic Authorization and Accounting. AAA is a set of services for controlling access to computer resources, enforcing policies, accessing usage, and providing the information necessary to bill for services.
Thanks for your participation. You can now stop record screen.